In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PDF from DocHub. By the end, you'll confidently save a copy of your document to your computer with the right format for your needs. Start by opening your browser and heading to DocHub.com. Sign in to your account so you can access your documents. If you manage more than one account, make sure you're in the correct one by confirming the documents you expect to see on your dashboard. Give the page a moment to fully load before moving on. From your DocHub dashboard, click the PDF you want to download. That will open it inside the DocHub editor. Wait for the editor to finish loading the pages and any recent changes. DocHub autosaves, but it's a good idea to pause for a second to ensure the latest edits are reflected before you download. Now look to the top right corner of the editor for the export controls. Depending on your screen size and DocHub's current layout, you might see Export, Download, Export, Export, or Send, or an icon that looks like a box with an arrow. If there's a small arrow or menu indicator next to it, click that to reveal the options. From the menu, choose Download or Download PDF. This tells DocHub you want a copy saved locally to your device, not sent or shared via link or email. If you accidentally click a Send option, just close it and return to the Export menu. If you're asked to choose a file format, select the version that matches your goal. PDF, flattened, creates a non-editable PDF, great when you need a final, locked version that looks the same everywhere. PDF with fields keeps form fields editable, which is ideal if someone else needs to fill in information later. Original format preserves the document's original file type if it started as something other than a PDF. PDF with annotations includes comments and highlights, useful for review and collaboration. Pick the one that best fits how you plan to use the file. After you confirm your selection, the download should begin automatically. Your browser will place the file in its default downloads folder. Watch for a download bar, notification, or an arrow icon in your browser showing progress. The file name will typically match your document's name, and you can rename it later for clarity. If nothing seems to happen, check for a pop-up or download blocker in your browser and allow the download, then try again. That's all there is to it. You opened DocHub, selected your document, chose download, picked the right format, and saved the file to your computer. Keep your files organized by naming them clearly, and you'll always know where to find the document you need.